Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the connection possible. Charge both devices and open the printer app now. On your phone, grant location and Bluetooth permissions when prompted, because many apps require them to discover devices. On the printer, press the network or Bluetooth button until the LED flashes. This places it in pairing mode. Once the printer is discoverable, keep both devices within 1 meter to avoid dropouts, and make sure airplane mode is off so the phone can use wireless radios. You now pair and configure. Open the app's device list or the phone's Bluetooth menu and tap the printer name when it appears. If a PIN is requested, enter the default printed in the manual or accept a one-time code. This authenticates the link. After pairing, go into the app's print settings to set paper size, print density, and layout. This prevents misaligned output. Once configured, perform a small test print to verify margins and darkness before printing important items. You finish by sending a test job, choose a small photo or a single page of text and tap print. Monitor the job status indicator in the app. If nothing prints, stop and restart the app, then reboot your phone and finally power cycle the printer. This clears common handshake errors. Make sure paper is loaded correctly, thermal paper face down if required, and that firmware is current. Updating firmware often fixes compatibility problems. If issues persist, try pairing over Wi-Fi instead of Bluetooth.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.